Hello everybody, hello and welcome to John on the Bike. Today we're going to be making some energy bars, cycling energy bars in the air fryer that I bought Kate for Christmas. I jumped on the bandwagon and like all the trendy folk, and we're going air fryer, haven't we? It's fantastic actually, it's really good, really good. But today we're going to be making some energy bars, and they are
fruity porridge bars.
Fruity porridge bars.
Perfect for taking out on your bike.
Yeah, perfect for taking on your bike. So loads of energy, loads of protein. Loads of protein in them.
Porridge, oats, bananas, fruit.
Because protein, everybody's into the protein at the moment. But yeah, so lots of good things in. So we're going to head round and going to get them cooked now. So it should be interesting. Hopefully. We haven't tried them yet, have we?
Not yet.
It's a new recipe as well, so it'll be new for us as well. So let's head over there now and see what we can bake up. See what we can make. So we finished cooking our fruity, oaty, what are they called again?
Fruity oat porridge bars.
Fruity,
oaty porridge bars. That's what I would call them.
They're very, very nice. I've just tried one very first time. Very nice. They're a bit more of a moist cake, aren't they?
They're moist and you can taste the banana.
Yeah, so these were done. Very nice.
Done in the air fryer.
Yeah, air fryer.
Lots of berries. We put cinnamon in. There's no cinnamon in the recipe, but I added cinnamon because we love cinnamon. You could cook them longer if you wanted, but I don't know. They might go too hard. But these are quite moist, so they're probably quite good for your bike.
Yeah.
If you don't like banana, don't make them because they taste like banana cake.
Yeah, it tastes like a porridgey banana kind of flavour, aren't they? But they definitely have that porridge taste to them. Because you use that different kind of porridge oats in, didn't you? What was the porridge oat you used again?
with whole bran.
Oat-bran, yeah, very, very nice. Lots of protein, lots of energy in there, folks. Really, really nice. Try it out.
Lots of energy on your bike.
Yeah, yeah. The recipe has all, as well as been on the screen. I've been putting the recipe up as we've been making it. The recipe will be in the description below as well.
It's not my recipe, but I have adapted it.
Yeah, yeah. So try it out. Give it a go. Air fryer, energy bars for your bike. And well, not energy bars. Actually, you did energy bars as well, didn't you? Did you do energy bar? Did it work out?
I did them as a bar as well, so you could cook them as a bar. Sorry.
Yeah.
Or as a round.
So yeah, there's a.
Cook them in any silicone mould. You could make them square.
Yeah.
Whatever fits in your bike.
There was the bars as well that Katie made, which if you want to use making the bars, just depends what mold you want to put it in, doesn't it? So yeah, give it a try, folks. Really, really good, really nice, really tasty, and really good for the bike ride, especially with the coming nice weather. Because we'll need lots of energy with this lovely, lovely nice weather. We're definitely going to get this year, hopefully. Anyway, as always, thank you very much for joining us. It's goodbye from me.
And it's goodbye from me.
And goodbye from Karen. Take care, everybody. See you all later. Thanks for
Bye.
watching. Bye.